Hi, tonight we're doing a Dutch oven chicken and pasta with herb seasoning, so stick around. For this one, hi, tonight we're making an herb chicken and pasta. Something I found on the 50 Campfires website. Sounded pretty decent, so being our last night here camping, we just wanted something quick and simple, and this seemed to fit those. It also seemed tasty enough, so we're going to give that a try. I've got 20 coals underneath my Dutch oven, heating up some oil. And should be hot enough to start this. So. Nothing is ever level. Okay, so I've got 2 chicken breasts that I cut up a little bit earlier. I'm going to put these in here. And I'm supposed to use a salt-free seasoning blend, so we're using the Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. 2 tablespoons of that. Good enough, I think. And some poultry seasoning. And I just went ahead and covered all the pieces I had. So we're going to fry these up for a few moments. And when we start adding the other stuff, I'll get back with you. Okay, our chicken should be about ready. Let's take a peek here. Okay, and at this point I need to add some water. I've got just shy of a full cup. I'm supposed to add 6 ounces, and I think I'm pretty close guessing that, so we'll add that. 2 tablespoons of onion soup mix. Really? Okay. 2 tablespoons. Good enough. I don't think too much would hurt. Not enough is more my bigger worry. Okay, and teriyaki sauce, and it is supposed to be 2 tablespoons, and I think I'm probably shy on that. But teriyaki sauce. Portioned it out at home before we left in one of my wife's little wine bottles. And tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And 2 tablespoons of an herb and garlic soup mix, which I could not find. So we went with a Knorr vegetable recipe dip thing. And 2 tablespoons of that. That's it. 2 tablespoons. Mix all this together and bring it to a boil. So I'm going to put the lid back on. Let that come to a boil, and I seem rushed. I apologize. My camera battery's about dead, so I'm trying to get as much done in a short amount of time. So first take a quick peek on them real quick. Yeah, it's a little bit of a boil. It's looking good. Okay. Smells good. So I'll put that back on there. Give it a little bit of top heat. For about 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. Well, again, on this trip, that last segment didn't record well. I think I picked it up on my other little camera, but essentially all we did was add some pasta that was pre-cooked to the mixture with the chicken. Okay, so it's been right at about the 15 minutes that I needed. Now I need to add some pasta and stuff to it, which I cooked up earlier. Quick second, I'll go get that. Okay, so I cooked up the pasta earlier. I'm using some bow ties. Space today. Started sprinkling earlier, and we weren't sure if it was going to rain like it did last night or not, so we started bringing everything in underneath covering, and not for sure how much space I had. So I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta to our mixture. Oh, also earlier I was looking at the instructions for the Knorr vegetable mix thing, and it had some dehydrated vegetables and stuff in it, so I went ahead and put the rest of the package in there. But according to the original recipe, if I would have been using that garlic, herb, and other soup mix, then I was to add it at the end. But being this had some dehydrated vegetables, I went ahead and added it early. So I'm going to put our pasta in there. Give that a good stirring around. Hey, it smells really good. It smells really, really good. It's real pretty too. Okay. And I'm going to let that cook another 5 minutes or so, just to heat the pasta back up. So, yeah, we'll get back with you in just a few minutes. Now we're fixing to check on it as a complete meal. Just need to add some Parmesan cheese to it. But just in case. Okay. Alrighty. So there. That looks really, really good. Riffy, I hope you're hungry.
I am.
Okay, and 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. It was supposed to be fresh Parmesan cheese, but we went with the grated stuff. It's easier for camping purposes. But, so that is all that. And I'll be back with you in just a minute once I get the plates and stuff out, but we'll see how it actually tastes. Okay, so let's... Crap, I forgot. One of them days. Alright, so... Give me a plate room. Tell me. I'm trying
All
to
right,
get
a little
chicken.
bit more.
Okay.
A
That
little
good?
bit more pasta. There.
Okay.
That's good. I'm hungry.
Well,
Eat like a horse out here. No, baby.
yeah, let's see how this... Alrighty. So let's see how we did.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah. I think we did good. So I want to thank you for watching, including some of the little flubbers with the camera and stuff. I'm going to rush out of here because the battery is about dead. So until next time, we'll see you in the woods.